I know you used to these women that's timid. See what I want, then I get up and get it. Hey, I know I get a little crazy. I need somebody to tame it.
Hey. My YouTube channel, A Little Bit of Jay. I am Jay, and I know it's been a long time, y'all. I apologize. It's been a long time, but I just been so busy, y'all. Like, it's crazy. I've been so busy with everything, and I've been really wanting to get back on YouTube and start doing my videos. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing my videos. Y'all will be getting a video every week now, or like the best lighting or anything like that. So I decided to go ahead and do some research on some products. So the thing I decided to order was this right here. It is a selfie ring light by the brand, I don't know how to pronounce this, y'all. I guess it's called UBeeSize. I don't know, but yeah, this is the brand, and this is exactly what it came in. I haven't opened the box or anything yet, y'all. I wanted to go ahead and do that with y'all so I can show y'all my exact reaction, and so y'all can see exactly, you know, how it comes when you first order it and everything. I am going to be giving you guys my honest review on this selfie ring light, and I also will be linking this in the description box. Also, y'all, wanted to let y'all know that I only spent $35.99 on this, whatever it is, because like I said, I haven't opened it, so it's really not a fail if it doesn't work out for me. So let's just hop right into it and see what it is. Okay, so the first thing I see when I open the box is a lot of compartments and stuff like that. And you got a box inside of a box. I'm guessing this is the ring light. What else do they have in here? They have another box. I don't even know what to guess this is. And here's the tripod that it came with. Right off the bat, y'all, I can say that this feels like a pretty sturdy tripod. I don't think I'm gonna have no problems. I'm thinking, you know, like this gonna be like some cheap material, like maybe some plastic or something like that. This feels pretty heavy. Like, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it ain't no plastic. What else they got in this box? Okay, nothing else in the box. I hope they got instructions, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not tech savvy like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box first. Well, second, because I already opened the bigger box. So ooh, okay. This is the ring light, like I guess. It comes in this cute little, I guess it's a dust bag or something like that. Nothing else is in the box with the ring light. It sounds like the ring light is in like some type of plastic. Yeah, it's in some type of plastic. This is how the ring light looks straight out the box. And it comes with like this little cord. And this is what it has on the cord. I'm gonna open the smaller box now, y'all. Okay, this one came with like 3 different things in it. And this one came with some instructions. It came with this little remote. It says iOS on it or Android, so you can use either one with that. That's really good. What is this? I don't know what this is, y'all. I'm finna open it and show y'all. Maybe y'all can tell me, because I don't know. Oh, it opens, y'all. So this how you do it. This how I got it. You just open it like that and pull it. I'm guessing this is like the adapter for the phone or something like that. I don't know. But they have another one too. I know for sure this is the one that goes on the ring light, because it has this little hole right here, which I'm guessing attached to the tripod. So this one stretches also, and to fit your phone in. So I got this one and I got this one, and they're both phone adapters. Well, I know this one is. I'm gonna have to read the instructions and see what this one is. This is the last thing I'm gonna open. It's the tripod. let me see how to work this. I'm not trying to break this because I just bought it. So let me see. Okay. You just pull it. Kind of hard though. Okay. I don't even know how long this is supposed to go. I did read some reviews on it, and this girl said that she was like 4'11" and that it was like about her height. So I'm guessing like what, 50 something inches, like 56 to 58 inches, I'm guessing. So it's kind of hard to pull up, y'all. Y'all want to know why I'm having such a hard time pulling this up? Because these little clips right here are supposed to open. So they're locks. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so we're going to pop the locks open first, y'all, before y'all start trying to pull it open and possibly break it. So you push this little clip right here open. They come with 3 of them. And you push them all open, and then you pull it up to as high as you want it to go. And then you're going to just close the clips back. Okay, that's pretty hot because I'm sitting down right now, y'all, and it's above me. It's above me now. Okay, so when you do this, you just... Oh, well, I'm pushing them all out at the same time, and it just come down, y'all. What the heck? Let me figure out how to do this. Oh, okay. I need to really start trying to figure out how to do stuff and use the nozzles before I just start trying to do stuff myself, because this thing is really simple and I'm making it harder than what it have to be. I don't know why, but I always do that. So this is how you make these little things go down right here. You just open and close this right here. You just twist this thing and it'll loosen it up or tighten it up. Okay, so I just tightened it so that it can stay permanently like this and not keep closing up or anything like that. So let me let y'all see it. This is what the tripod is looking like. It stands up. So yeah, I'm about 4'10", and it comes to my cheek right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and read these instructions because I have no idea how to set this up, and I'd rather read the instructions and do it the right way than just tear up this whole $35 thing that I just bought. $35. When I'm reading it, it says UBeeSize. Why am I saying UBeeSize, y'all? And it clearly says UBeeSize. I'm done. Like, I'm so done with myself. I just be really doing stuff and saying stuff and don't be paying no attention. Like, I just be doing it. Okay. The name of this product is called UBeeSize. UBeeSize. It is a 7.9-inch ring light with tripod stand. It says open the tripod stand. I already did that. Extend the stick. I already did that. Attach the ring light to the tripod head. Then it shows me, I'm on step 3 right now. It says attach the ring light to the tripod head. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow what the picture says, or at least try. What is she doing? Y'all. Wait. Okay, let me know it is and see. Cause I don't see no screw for this one. How do I do it? Like this? I know they didn't give me like no sideways. Is this like a sideways thing? Let me see. How she put this on here? Okay, I see how hers is, but mine is not. Oh, okay. Yeah, once again, I'm just doing stuff and not looking at it or paying attention. There's a little silver ball right here. And it's like in a, I don't know how they got it in here, but you adjust it by moving it like that. It's adjustable, so you can do it on the side or you can do it at the top like that by moving this little silver ball right here. Well, you're not really moving the silver ball, but that's what allows it to move and everything. Yeah, and you can turn it all around and everything. Let me go ahead and put this on this tripod so I can show y'all. So now that I figured out the right way, the hard way, like I always do, I'm gonna go ahead and screw it in. When I say beginner friendly, y'all, I'm not even joking. Cause look, okay, now that I figured it out, I can show y'all. When I say beginner friendly, I'm not even joking. They have this little screw right here, and it's like a little, hold on, let me get in the camera so y'all can see it. Is it on this side? Yeah, it is. It's this little thing right here, y'all. This little thing, all you do is put the little hole right there in the screw, and then you turn the little dial. You don't even have to like move the ring light or nothing. You just turn this little dial and then it'll tighten itself. The screw will tighten itself into the little hole where the ring light goes. And there you go. You got your ring light. Okay. It's saying, it has this little thing right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. This little thing right here. It's saying to open it. And that's gonna make this open right here. So that you can just, I don't know if y'all can see it because my nails is hella long. But that's gonna open this right here so that you can just attach that to the tripod. And it does have like this little rubbery thing on the inside of the clip so that it can stay put once you clip it on, which is a good idea. UBeeSize, y'all did good with this. Like, y'all were very thoughtful with every little thing. Y'all did really awesome. Like, hands, good job to y'all. Thumbs up to y'all because y'all did awesome on making this. And it's so easy to put together, y'all. I can't wait to finish so I can actually see how it works. I was reading the instruction and I was wondering what this means at the bottom. So that means that you have to basically plug it into a it says a computer host, a portable source, or a laptop. And it's showing like the little USB part that you plug it into. So I have this extremely long cable and it goes to a PlayStation. So it has the USB. I guess it's USB compatible also. So I'm gonna see if this will work. If not, I will plug it into my laptop, but I don't really feel like it. I'm sorry, but let's see if this works. Okay, it's lighting up, so that means it's working. Let's see, y'all. Let me lower this a little bit so y'all could actually see. Let's see. Okay. That is bright. That is really bright. Okay, and then on it, they also have these, besides the power button that I just pressed, they have a minus button. It looks like a recycle button and a plus button. So I'm about to press the plus button and see what it does. Y'all, this thing gets bright. And I pressed it like, I think 3 times. And I don't think it's getting any brighter. So you got 3 different, yeah, you got 3 different brighter settings. So from the one that it comes on. So 1, 2, 3. And then let's see how low it goes. So this is how bright it can get. Let me put it on me, y'all. Hold on. It looks like I got a whole filter on. Skip back about 15 seconds and then skip right here and see how much of a difference it makes, and then comment down below and let me know if y'all see a difference and if y'all want me to keep using a ring light or just use my regular source of light. Let's see how dark it can go. It's still on, but I should have did that on camera so y'all can see, but at least y'all saw the difference like within the camera. So this is the lowest that it is, y'all. This is the lowest that it is right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up to the highest, and then I'll show y'all how many clicks it gets to for it to be the lowest. So this is the highest that it can get, the beautiful bright light, y'all. I think, yeah, this is the highest one. So this is the highest one right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and count how many clicks it takes to get all the way down to the lowest one. Okay, so it took 9 clicks to get all the way down to this lowest point right here. So that's pretty good. You have about 10 light settings that you can go from, like from lightest to lowest. This middle button I was telling y'all about just now, this one right here, that has like the little recycle right there, it actually turns the lights different colors. Let me see if y'all can see better with this light on. Yeah, it actually turns the light different colors. So this is blue. Let me press it again to see. Let me see. This one is like a yellowish looking light, and it still got like a blue tint to it to me. That is so cool. Then they have like this one, which is I don't know if y'all can see it pretty good on camera or not, but then they have like this little, I guess it's like an orangish tint. And then they have, yeah, so it's 3 settings. They have the blue one, they have the light blue one, and then they have like this orangish reddish tint one. I want to see how these filters work. I want to show y'all. Okay, this is the lighting setting right here, and this is with the lowest one. This is like the orangish one I was telling y'all about. This is the blue one. This is the original. I'm so in love with this. Like, this was the perfect buy, y'all, and I swear I have been doing research for like, I want to say like 2.5 weeks, and of course I got distracted throughout my research and everything, so that's why it's been taking me so long. But I've been researching, and this is an awesome buy, y'all. Again, it's by UBeeSize, not UBeeSize. I don't know where I got that from, so please do not slander me in the comments. Please do not slander me in the comments for the beginning of this video when I was calling this product UBeeSize, because I don't know where I got it from. And y'all, I've been calling it that for a while now, like for real. So yeah, get this product from Amazon. It's called UBeeSize. It is a, let me read the instructions. It is called UBeeSize, a 7.9 inch ring light with a tripod stand. Y'all, when I say this is like completely beginner friendly, you don't have to have a brain at all, because clearly I don't know what I was thinking this whole time. So, and I do definitely recommend y'all to order this. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description box. This video is not sponsored whatsoever, y'all. This is just me trying to give y'all some tips on YouTube beginners, because I am a beginner myself. So I want y'all to go through this journey with me, and anything I can help y'all with and that y'all can help me with, why not do it? You know, let's be a team. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, because I want y'all to keep up with all the videos that I have coming for y'all. I'm not taking any more breaks. I promise, I promise, I promise. I will be having a video uploaded every single week. It still looks really good without the chandelier light on. So this is just with the ring light only. It speaks for itself. This is only $35.99, $36. Again, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and y'all stay tuned for my next video. Bye.